Hey everyone, the Anbernic RG406H, the latest Android gaming handheld from Anbernic, has officially hit the market, catering to both Chinese and international gamers. This device aims to deliver a premium gaming experience, blending cutting-edge technology with versatile design options. At the heart of the RG406H is a 4-inch IPS touchscreen with OCA full lamination, offering a resolution of 960 by 720. This display supports multi-touch, ensuring responsive gameplay and clear visuals. The handheld is available in 3 distinct colors: transparent purple, white, and black, catering to diverse aesthetic preferences. Under the hood, the RG406H is powered by a Unisoc T820 processor, a 6 nanometers EUV 5G SoC featuring 8 cores, paired with a Mali G57 GPU, clocked at 850 MHz. This combination promises smooth performance for a wide array of Android games and emulators. The device includes 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 2.2 storage, ensuring quick load times and plenty of space for apps and games. Running on Android 13, the RG406H provides access to a broad range of apps and supports FOTA wireless updates to keep the system current. Its compatibility with over 30 types of simulators makes it a versatile choice for retro and modern gaming enthusiasts alike. Users can also expand their gaming library via downloads of games in various formats. Battery life is another highlight, with a 5,000 mAh polymer lithium battery offering up to 7 hours of playtime. The device supports fast charging through the USB Type-C connector, fully recharging in around 3 hours. High-fidelity stereo speakers enhance the audio experience, while advanced cooling technology, featuring a high-speed fan and heat pipe, keeps the system running efficiently during extended sessions. Control precision is a priority with the RG406H, as it includes a 6-axis gyroscope sensor, Hall triggers, and a 3D Hall joystick with a wide-angle design. These features ensure responsive and accurate inputs for all types of games. Connectivity is robust, featuring Bluetooth 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi for online play and wireless updates. The device also supports USB Type-C 1080p DisplayPort output, wireless projection, and a 3.5mm stereo earphone jack. Gamers can enjoy customizable RGB lighting with 16 million color options, adding a personal touch to their device. Storage is further extendable with support for TF cards up to 2 TB, providing ample space for large game libraries. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, making the handheld suitable for long gaming sessions. The RG406H is competitively priced, starting at 998 yuan in China. Internationally, it is available in 3 versions: a standard model for $157 without an SD card, a $172 version with 128 gigs of storage and 4,000 plus preloaded games, and a $187 model offering 256 gigs of storage and 9,000 plus games. Gamers can purchase it directly from the official Anbernic store. With its impressive specs, versatile functionality, and competitive pricing, the Anbernic RG406H is a compelling choice for handheld gaming enthusiasts. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about the new game console? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.